Good morning, gurus. Welcome to heaven. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Bitcoin pumped, Ethereum pumped, Solana pumped, BNB pumped. Big congratulations to all of you who've been watching my videos the last week. Yesterday I made around $100,000 in the tradings accounts, which is beautiful. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And make sure you're paying attention to Magiccraft. I'm the founder of the project Magiccraft, Mcrt. And the game is ready. We've got the PC version, Android version, iOS version, and this game is epic. I'm a gamer that's been playing games since a very young age. Diablo 2, Lineage 2, World of Warcraft, Age of Empires, all of these big games. I played them, StarCraft, Counter-Strike, and this game is it's a game made by gamers integrating crypto. This isn't like Axie Infinity or other things like this. This is a real PvP action-based amazing epic game that's ready to go. It on PC, everything. It looks amazing. I want to show you the footage. We already have the gameplay footage. We already have beta testing. I want to show you it, but we're waiting for Bitcoin to break through 30,000 because I'm also a technical analyst for 21 years. And what that means is when Bitcoin breaks 30,000, the markets are going to go extremely bullish, especially for all the gaming tokens. And what we want to do is we want to be releasing Magiccraft into the big movement of all the gaming tokens at that moment, because there's, for example, Axie Infinity had a market cap of $5 billion. A lot of that money moved into USD. So we want to launch our gameplay, which blows all the other games away at that same moment that everyone starts moving their USDT back into the gaming tokens. Except instead of moving that $5 billion to Axie Infinity or to Sand, they're going to move it into Magiccraft, Mcrt. When you see the gameplay footage, it's going to blow your mind. I can't wait to show you it. We're going to do a massive release at the same moment across all the crypto influencers. That we've got more than 100 influencers that are part of our project, that are invested in our project. All the gaming influencers, a big ad campaign across Google. We have a lot of things lined up for a big release for Magiccraft and the game footage integrated with Mcrt. Each game will have a Mcrt kind of chest that you will win every single game. The winning team will take that Mcrt. It's an epic, and NFTs. We've got a lot of amazing integration. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin having a huge pump yesterday, exactly as predicted. We actually bought Bitcoin down here, which was perfectly timed in yesterday's morning video. Bitcoin has been trending sideways within this channel for a while, slightly moving up. The trend is now up. It broke the two important things here. We broke again through this bear flag. That's 2 times now we've broken through this bear flag. That's a good sign. We're above the 200 weekly moving average, also a very good sign. On the daily, the stochastic has more to go. On the daily, the stochastic, but it is slightly overbought. On the 4 hourly, we're overbought, but look at this. This is also very good news. Every time Bitcoin, where is the volume now? The volume is when Bitcoin goes up. You seeing this? Look at this massive volume, almost all-time high volume. We had huge volume yesterday. Well, not all-time high. The only part that was higher was on the capitulation. We had a lot of volume here on the capitulation, but this was since that big capitulation at 17K, we've had the highest volume spike, and huge volume came in the last few days, and Bitcoin pumped really strong. Now we had a double top and we had a lower high. This is something to be concerned about. We need Bitcoin to get a follow through and a continuation, but on a breakout, it's okay to retest and head up. On the hourly, stochastic also very overbought. We're still bull flagging. Our trade from last night, also massively in the profits. Big congratulations. That's when the trade opened down here at 23,200. So already up $600 in the profits. It is making a bull flag, and the pattern that I'm seeing is something like this. We've got an inverse head and shoulders here, a very big one, everyone. Everyone seeing this? If this inverse head and shoulders plays out, the head will be the distance that we can move for Bitcoin, which is quite a big distance. That will take us to around $26,000, 25,900, 26K for Bitcoin. So this inverse head and shoulders looks like it'll play out. And if we draw it across, we're getting something like this, all right? We had this head movement. Now we're having this. A bigger pump, and then a large pump towards 25K. That's how I would draw it out if it was like seeing what's going to happen. We also had a lot of volume here, and in my opinion, the reason why we're getting these big pumps off the bottoms and not much of a drop is because everyone that wanted to sell sold at 17K. Now we're not having big selling pressure anymore, which is interesting. So that's the target, 25K from this inverse head and shoulders. We also have here a very bullish bull flag forming here. You can see here we've got it with a broadening wedge. This is a bull flag on Bitcoin right now. The distance that we can move is the pole of the flag, this distance here. So if we get a breakout above here, we've got a big movement to make for Bitcoin. Okay, I got to get rid of that previous trade that's in the profits. Congratulations, everyone. Move your stop loss into profits. So 25,400 on this bull flag. So we've got a few very bullish indicators here. So that's my targets for Bitcoin. I would actually go long right here off the bottom of this bull flag. Stop loss below the support, this big channel that we talked about, below that big channel, and the take profit at that 26,000. That's the trade that I would take now on Bitcoin if you have not yet opened a trade, which will give us a 6 ratio trade. You'd be risking $368 to make $2,200 without leverage. With 10x leverage, you'd make $22,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $220,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would open on Bitcoin, and I'll share that in the trading room in Twitter, in Telegram. Also, if you want to trade, make sure underneath this video, like where to trade, you go down below under the video and you sign up. So everyone go down below, click this link. If you have not got a trading account, make sure you're using Bybit. I use Bybit, Binance, Femex at the moment. Those are my 3 main trading accounts. So you can go down below, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. It is the 3rd biggest exchange, low fees. I like it a lot. So go down below, click this link, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus, and then that will give you this trading account. In here, I have $479,762. It's actually up around $79,000 from yesterday, which is beautiful. Made $79,000 in this account. I've got Bitcoin 7.3, Bitcoin 175,000. I've got 124,000 USDC. I've got 97,000 Solana in here and 29,000 USDT. In here, my Bitcoin trade is now $11,395 in profits, 191%. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade. So making huge gains, already 190% on my capital. I used $5,900 to make now 11,400 profits. So I turned almost $6,000 into nearly $18,000, which is beautiful. Here I would go long on Bitcoin according to this trade. I would open the trade. Let's see if there's going to be a short-term pullback. I would say no. I would actually be opening the trade where we are, 23,843. So opening the trade 23,843. Doing a $1,000 trade. You always confirm your risk to reward ratio. Take profit would be at the top of that target. So the way you read my trades, everyone, in all of these videos, is I put a take profit, a stop. I set the trade before it even begins, right? The entire trade is already set. So here you can see we have a take profit up here, which is at 26,000. So this one here is the take profit. So you can see here, that's the take profit at $26,058. The trade opens at this middle line here at 23,840, where we are now. And the stop loss is this line at the bottom. That's where the trade will automatically trigger in the stop loss. And that's why you need to always never risk more than 2% of your trading capital. So you can see these 3 lines, right? So you've got the top line, which is the take profit. You've got the stop loss, which is the bottom, and you've got the middle line where the trade opens. So take profit is at $26,058, 26,058, and the stop loss is at 23,475, 23,475. Never risk more. See, I'm risking $134 on this trade. Never risk more than 2% of your capital. For me, that's like very small percentage, but for you, never risk more than 2% of your capital. So that means this $134 risk, if I'm risking 1%, it means I can only have if I would only make this trade if I had $5,000. Never risk more than 2% of your capital. So if I was trading with $5,000, then I could take this trade. So I'd risk $134 to make $841. That's amazing. So did you hear me? It was risking 134 to make 800 and something. Risking 100. So it's a really good risk to reward ratio trade. $134 to make $841. That's the trade that I would take right now on Bitcoin. I already have a long open, but I'll share this in the Telegram. And don't forget to join us inside the Telegram group. The link is down below. It's a free Telegram group down here. James' new Telegram live alerts. It's free and you can join. There's so many people in there, almost 4,000 people in there. And look at the gains they're making. Yesterday, this student in the Telegram made $1,600 132% profit. This student made 81% profit on BNB, 165%. Look at the gains that people are making from my free Telegram Live. 504% on Ethereum Classic in the profit, 23%. Most stocks make 7% a year. My students are making 41%, 50, like look at these, 900%, 72%. It's endless. This is non-stop in my chat room. 213% on Ethereum, Bitcoin 178%. These are some of the gains. My 201%. 3%, 73%, 40%, 152% profits, 62% profits, 14% profits, 55%, 40%. These are the gains my students are making inside the chat room. And everyone, don't forget to watch MCRT, the token that I'm talking about. It's up 6% yesterday, which is beautiful. It's ranked 3,414, so it's very still low ranked. It's got CerTic audit, everyone. We have a CerTic audit on Magiccraft. CerTic is one of the biggest auditing firms in the world. We have a market cap of 1.6 million only, and volume of 282,000. Pay attention to this. When we release the game, it's going to blow your mind up. You can read articles about the game, and you can read what it is. Magiccraft is a PvP Castle Siege game built on Binance Smart Chain. It's amazing PvP game, everyone. So pay attention to it. The game, we're going to be releasing gaming footage into the bullish momentum. Over on Binance, my account is up 657 so far this morning, $657, $488,000 in here. Yesterday it was at 420,000 or something. So I also made 60,000 in this account. So I actually made like $120,000 yesterday in profits, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, I've got 10 Bitcoin, which I bought yesterday before the pump, that last Bitcoin, which is beautiful on this account. $240,000 worth of Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin. Solana, I've got $108,000 worth of Solana. BNB, I've got $74,000, and BUSD, I've got $59,000. I actually spent $20,000 from this account yesterday also, so I made like $100,000 yesterday in this account, which is beautiful. And on Femex, I also have a trade open. My Bitcoin trade is $1,815 in the profits, $1,600 in the profits. I've got a 0.76 Bitcoin trade here and a $22,000 Bitcoin trade here. So those are my trades. Also, you can buy MCRT, everyone, on PancakeSwap. You can just go to PancakeSwap. Also, Bitmart and Mcrt exchange, where you can use US dollars. And PancakeSwap, USDT to MCRT, you can just swap it. So, or you can for BNB, etc. So go to pancakeswap.finance, MCRT, and you can buy the token there. So those are my trades. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Big congratulations, everyone. We made massive gains yesterday. In the next video, I'll go over Ethereum and Solana. Hit the subscribe button. Join almost 77,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. We hit 40,000 on Twitter. And again, I want my audience, like all of you, really listen to me. Pay attention to MCRT. I am a multi-millionaire. We're building the best, the number one play to earn game. Some like Axie Infinity had a $5 billion market cap. We're currently sitting at 1.6 million, and our game is going to blow all others away. The gameplay footage is amazing. I cannot wait to show you it. But again, I'm gonna show it first here when we do release it. When Bitcoin passes 30K and goes extremely bullish, and all the gaming tokens, all the volume goes back in. We want to take all that liquidity into MCRT and become the number one play to earn game and reach that $5 billion market cap. We're at $1.6 million market cap right now. So everyone, all my audience, pay attention to MCRT. I can't give financial advice. It's my own project. I want to be very clear. I'm the founder of this project. I seed funded this project myself with my own money. I'm a gamer. Pay attention to MCRT. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.